Have you ever noticed this white milky sap oozing out of a fresh fig when you pick it? What if I told you this natural latex has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and even modern science is catching up? Stick around because today I'm uncovering the incredible benefits and uses of fig latex. Now, whether you grow figs or you just enjoy eating them, you might have seen the sticky white substance when breaking a fig from a tree. But what is this exactly? Is it safe? And how has it been used throughout history? Let's dive into the wonderful benefits and uses of fig latex. Now, this white sap is called fig latex, and it's much more than just plant juice. It's a mix of powerful bioactive compounds, including ficin, which is a proteolytic enzyme that breaks down proteins. Also, it includes proteases, which is another type of enzyme that helps in digestion and other biological processes. It also includes alkaloids, which are compounds that have various effects on the body, including medicinal benefits. And lastly, it includes resins and phenolic compounds, which are known for their antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's completely natural, but here's something interesting. These enzymes are so strong that they can even break down dead skin and tough tissue. That's why fig latex has been used in traditional medicine for treating warts and other skin conditions. Let's dive into the traditional and medicinal uses of fig latex. Now, one of the most well-known uses of fig latex is for removing warts and calluses. The proteolytic enzymes in fig latex work by breaking down the excessive keratin in the skin growths, gradually dissolving them over time. Here's how to use it. So step 1 is to break open a fresh fig and collect a drop of the white latex. Apply it directly to the wart, to the callus, to the corn, let it dry and repeat once or twice daily. In a few weeks, the wart or the callus will shrink and will eventually disappear. Now, as a word of caution, be careful not to get the latex on healthy skin because it can cause irritation. Its second use is as a digestive aid or a parasite cleanser. So in some traditional remedies, a very diluted form of fig latex has been used to help with digestion. The enzyme ficin acts similar to the enzyme found in papayas, which is called papain, and pineapples, the enzyme bromelain, aiding in breaking down proteins in the stomach. Some cultures use fig latex as a natural remedy for intestinal parasites. However, when you consume the latex in large amounts, this can be quite dangerous, so it should never be used internally without professional guidance. If you're looking for something for intestinal parasites, I've recommended wormwood, and there's a lot of really good clinical studies for that as well. Another use is for skin healing and antifungal properties because fig latex contains natural antifungal and antibacterial compounds. It's been used traditionally to help with minor skin infections, pimples, and fungal conditions like athlete's foot. The way to use it on skin issues is you're going to go ahead and dab a small amount of fig latex on the affected area. You're going to let it dry naturally and wash it off after 20 to 30 minutes and repeat this once a day until you see improvements. Another benefit is for its potential to have anti-cancer properties. This is backed by scientific research, and some scientific studies have explored whether fig latex has anti-cancer properties because the enzymes and the phenolic compounds in the fig latex may help in the fight against the cancer cells. Now, in terms of the scientific evidence, there's a study that was published in Scientific Reports that have found that fig latex inhibits the growth of HPV positive cervical cancer cells, slowing the rapid growth, and the source will be linked in the description box below. Another research in pharmaceuticals suggests that the fig latex influences gene involved in cancer development, apoptosis, and cell cycle regulation. And lastly, another study in Frontiers in Chemistry highlights that fig leaf extracts have strong anti-cancer effects against breast cancer cells. Then again, all three studies linked will be in the video description below. So while these studies are really promising, there's more clinical research that is needed before fig latex can be considered a mainstream treatment. But it's fascinating to see how nature holds such wonderful medicinal secrets. So there are also modern uses, and there's a couple of warnings I want you to know before using fig latex. So first of all, skin sensitivity. It can cause irritation. So always please do a patch test first. There will be a video linked in the description box below that will take you on a step-by-step correct way on how to use a patch test or how to do a patch test before applying fig latex. Another thing is latex allergy. There are some people that are allergic to latex, and they're also allergic to other similar things such as bananas or avocados. So if you have banana or avocado allergy, it's more likely that you're allergic to latex. Also, it's not for internal use because the raw fig latex can be toxic when ingested internally in large amounts, so it's best just to stay away from it. So you can also use it in another thing, which is in cheese making. So did you know that fig latex has been used as a natural rennet substitute for making cheese? The enzyme helps to curdle milk, it makes it eco-friendly, and it's also a wonderful vegetarian-friendly way to produce cheese. So the way to use it is you're going to add a few drops of fig latex to warm milk. You're going to stir and let it sit until the curds form. Strain and enjoy fig curdled cheese. So the next time you pick a fig and see that white sap, remember, it's more than just a sticky residue. It's nature's hidden remedy. What do you think about fig latex? Leave a comment below. Like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more natural health secrets. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.